going on, everyone? Got a 2013 Lexus Gs350. Today we're going to replace the remote key fob battery. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. We're going to get it out of our way. Now to do that, right here on the left side of the remote, there's a button right here that says push. We're going to push it with our thumb, okay, right here at the top. Then we can pull the emergency key out. Now if we look inside of the remote, you got two slots. You got one slot where the emergency key just came out of, right here on the side. You have this other really shallow slot. Okay, we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver, put it in there. Okay, it won't go very far in, and we're just gonna twist this guy clockwise. All right, you can see how the remote popped open right here. We can just take the back cover off. All right, now on the back cover is where we're gonna have the battery at, okay? So we're gonna need to remove the board right here. Just carefully remove the board. And we'll flip it over, and here's our battery. And we'll just pop this guy right out. It just pops out. Get a new battery and show you what size it is. All right, so the battery size is gonna be a CR2032 with the positive sign facing towards us. Stick it in one side first, and then we just click right in there, okay? Just like that. All right, we'll flip it back over. Stick it back in the remote. It only go in one way. If you need a battery, check the description box. I have a link down there. Take you to Amazon if you need to pick up a battery real quick. We're gonna get this, all right? We're gonna keep this side facing down because the buttons come, they're all loose and things like that, so we don't want them falling out. We're gonna just get the two halves, just push them together, okay? And you hear the remote click. You know that you got it together right when you put the emergency key back in and it clicks, okay? Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate if you leave me a like and leave me a comment. I hope to see you again in another video.